Hello and welcome. I'm Maria Ressa. This is your 12 p.m. wrap. U.S. presidential candidate Hillary Clinton weighs in on the diplomatic friction involving Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte and U.S. President Barack Obama. Clinton says Obama was right to cancel the bilateral meeting with Duterte. She says, quote, "We have a lot of ties between the United States and the Philippines, and I think it's very important that we have a relationship, but there has to be a certain level of respect that is expected on both sides." The planned meeting Tuesday in Laos was canceled after Duterte slammed Obama, anticipating a discussion on human rights and extrajudicial killings. Duterte has since apologized for his remarks, saying it was not meant to be a personal attack. Brazil's impeached President Dilma Rousseff leaves the official presidential residence. She flies back to her coastal hometown in Porto Alegre. Her vice president turned rival, Michel Temer, is expected to move into the presidential residence in the coming days. Rousseff was stripped of the presidency last week after a 9-month impeachment battle. The Senate convicted her on charges of fudging the government's budget by taking unauthorized state loans. Rock legend Freddie Mercury's legacy lives on. An asteroid is named after him on what would have been his 70th birthday. His Queen bandmate Brian May, who also has a doctorate in astrophysics, announces asteroid number 17473 will be named in Freddie Mercury's honor. The asteroid was discovered in 1991, the year Mercury died of complications from AIDS. That's your 12 noon wrap. I'm Maria Ressa. Join us again at 6 p.m. for the day's top news.